What's that? What Nikki said? Put the cookie on quarantine? Cookie's been on quarantine, but like...
Coronavirus!
Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today's video is... I'm scared. Like... Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be another DIY video, another do-it-yourself, because like I said, I want to claim DIY queen. There's a lot of DIY queens, but I want to claim DIY queen. Like I want that title too, you know, like I want to be a part of that squad, you know, like I be doing a lot of stuff myself, so I just feel like, hello, can I be DIY queen as well? Hello. Today's video, if I would be lying if I said my chest wasn't, you know, my heart wasn't pumping out my chest right now because I'm nervous, you know. Like, let me give you guys some backstory. I've been waxing myself, wax my face, like I usually wax my eyebrows and my upper lip. I've been doing that since I was probably like 15. My mom has always had like the heated wax that you can just like heat yourself, whether you do it over the stove or the electric one. She eventually like upgraded to the electric heater, but she's always had that in the house ever since like I was a small child. And I just always remember like watching her at least once a month go into the bathroom, heat up her wax and wax herself. So when I got to the age where hair started to grow on my face, I started to get a little mustache, started to get a little unibrow, my eyebrows got bushy, I was like, it's time for me to start waxing. Hello. And she obviously helped me at first, kind of taught me the ropes, taught me the do's and don'ts, because she's been doing it like forever. And then eventually I got comfortable enough to just do it by myself, to where I didn't need her help. I didn't have to do it with my mommy. So, you know, I've been doing that since I was like 15. I'm 23 now. So I feel very comfortable waxing my upper lip, waxing my eyebrows. I've even done my armpits like once or twice before, but I don't know, like I typically just shave them because it's a lot easier and a lot less painful, obviously. But for today's video, I'm gonna be waxing for the first time ever. Like I'm literally I'm so scared because I'm such a baby. Like I'm such a baby when it comes to pain. I can't take pain. So this was something that I've wanted to get it waxed before, because obviously the hair grows back a lot slower. It grows back thinner over time the more that you wax. And you have to do, like, you don't have to do it as much. Like I have to shave like maybe like once every 2 weeks. And with waxing it's more so like once every month or once every 6 weeks. So I've wanted to do it, but I've just been really scared because I know like I'm a baby. So please just give a thumbs up, just because like I'm attempting this, you know, like, and I'm scared. I'm honestly scared. I'm gonna start off with my armpits because those is crazy. I haven't shaved in about a month, so my armpits are very hairy, okay? Like they're a little scary. For anybody that's like squeamish or grossed out by body hair or anything like that, click off this video. I don't even know why you're here. Like don't even do it. Like don't even watch, don't even leave a comment, just click off. But if you want to see me cry because I'm in pain, then I guess keep watching and you know, stick around. Okay, so I just want to show you guys what my little setup is right here. So this is my wax heater. The family wax heater, actually. We all use this, but this is my wax heater. It has a nozzle with the intensity. It goes all the way up to 6. On and off button, and then, you know, light so you know that it's on. Oh my god. Oh my god. This is like... Yo. Okay, ready? Fucking talk about it. This is a different level of DIY. Like if you give yourself waxes, I really commend you. Like hats off to you, bitch. I think I could, maybe now that I've actually felt the pain, like I think I can actually go and get a wax. by someone, but I don't think I can inflict this kind of pain on myself every month. I'm not that much of a psychopath. Okay, I'm about to do one of the lips. I'm below, like, give me a thumbs up down below, because this was really hard for me. I love you guys. Don't forget to click that subscribe button and join the fam. We just hit 27K. Yo, I will be doing a 30K giveaway, so make sure you guys, you know, stay tuned for that. If you're subscribed, then you'll know when that's coming up. Just to get back to you guys, because, you know, I love you guys so much. Appreciate every last one of you. Don't forget, you are smart, you are beautiful, and people love you. I love you, and I can't wait to see you at my next upload. Bye.